This is a sentence, बारिश होने की संभावना है. So you have to make a sentence with this one. This is संभावना है. This is a grammar structure. Now you have to write what is the answer you have written. Please tell me anything. You have to use this संभावना है. That means likely to. Likely to. You have to use this word. Likely to. So the answer is, I am making first one. It is likely to rain. बारिश होने की संभावना है. It is likely to rain. Did you understand? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
It is likely. हाँ, it is likely to rain. बारिश होने की संभावना है. I have used this संभावना likely. So I am giving you another sentence here. I am giving you another sentence here, and the sentence is. ट्रेन आज जल्दी आने की संभावना है. Please write this answer. ट्रेन आज जल्दी आने की संभावना है. Okay, now tell me the answer. What is the answer here? What is the answer here? ट्रेन आज जल्दी आने की संभावना है. So please make a sentence using this संभावना है. Then you can write. You can get the answer. Trains English you have to you know. आज English you know. जल्दी you know. आना you also know. And संभावना है. This is also you know what is given here. So you can make a sentence with that. So what is the sentence is your mind telling? Please tell me, and tell me anything about any sentence. Any sentence you tell me. The train.
Yes, ma'am.
The train.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, the train. The train is likely. The train is likely to come early. The train is likely to come early. Train आज if I written then today. The train is likely to come early today. आज ट्रेन आज जल्दी आने की संभावना है. The train is likely to come early today. Did you get the answer? The train is likely to come early today. आज ट्रेन जल्दी आने की संभावना है. Everything, every words English you have to find out. Otherwise, you have to search the answer from here. So the train is likely to come early today. Did you understand what is meant?
Yes,
What is the grammar structure here? Structure is you have to use likely to. संभावना है. This word you have to use this grammar structure. It is a grammar structure, likely to, and then you have to make a sentence with this structure. Okay. Next sentence I am giving you. You please make it of your own so that I can understand that you have understood you have got the point how to make a sentence using this grammar structure likely to. Then we can proceed to the next pattern of grammar structure. So let's start. मुझे परीक्षा पास करने की संभावना है. Sorry, don't write मुझे here. You write मेरी पास करने की परीक्षा पास करने की संभावना है. मेरे पास करने की परीक्षा मेरे परीक्षा पास करने की संभावना है. मेरे परीक्षा पास करने की संभावना है. Please make a sentence with this संभावना है. मेरे you know, परीक्षा you know, पास करना you know, and संभावना है. Just you have to arrange this sentence with likely and then you can get the answer. मेरे परीक्षा पास करने की संभावना है. Try to make of your own, then you can understand.
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
I make one, ma'am.
Yes.
It is likely to rain tomorrow.
Yes.
It is likely
Yeah.
to rain tomorrow. Rain tomorrow.
अरे मैंने अभी जो दिया इसको करो ना, तुम पीछे क्यों हो?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
You
जो मैंने
have
दिया.
to make your own sentence.
Own sentence means you have to make your this sentence this sentence, baby.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, I understand. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now please tell me the answer.
I am likely to pass my exam.
Very good. Very good. Yes, it is correct. I am likely to pass the exam. I am likely to pass the exam. This is the answer. I am likely to pass the exam. This is the answer. Shikha, please write this answer. I am likely. Yes. I am likely to pass the exam. So what is our structure? Sambhavna hai, likely to. This likely to we have to use, and then only we have to make a sentence with this using these words, this grammar structure. I am likely to pass the exam. Okay. Now with this one, you make a write a sentence homework. Two sentence I will give you, and this two sentence will be your homework, and you will make it and discuss with me in the next session. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.